everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zoe and welcome. So have you guys seen the cold girl makeup all over Instagram, and I'm probably sure it's on TikTok too. So if you have any social media or if you know anything about makeup, you've seen it. It's literally been everywhere. So I'm gonna do a tutorial today for it. So let's get started, and I will be naming all the products I'm using and they will be down in the description below if you're interested in any of them. Because I hate it when makeup artists use stuff and then they don't tell you what it is. I can't believe, so today when I'm filming this, it is December 1st. I honestly think it's crazy that it's already December 1st. Come on, table. Sorry, I had to move my table closer to me. I'm using the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. This is what I have been using a lot because I really like it. It leaves like a nice little glitter on your face, and I love glitter. And I have to open it up because the pump stopped working, and there's still so much product in this thing. I know it does have a little bit of a yellow hue to it, but don't let that scare you, okay? Stuff like this, I usually just go in with my hands and I just rub it around on my face. All right, next thing is, what is this? Maybelline. This was really popular, I don't know, in the springtime maybe. The Maybelline eraser, that concealer. I'm almost out of it. As you can see, it's like almost gone. I know this looks pale, but you gotta trust me, it's my color. Look on like my chin, little dabs randomly. I just really like concealer better than foundation because I feel like most foundations, at least foundations that I use, leave like a weird finish on my face and I don't like it. It just looks cakey. And I feel like concealers that have really well coverage, but they don't leave that weird cakey film. So I know these looks you have to use like a lot of blush because you want to have that effect that you're cold. So they put it all over their nose and stuff, even on their forehead sometimes. But I could literally just go outside, put my face in the snow, and it can look like I'm actually cold and I don't even have to use makeup. But alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows. This is my favorite eyebrow product right now, and it's also really cheap, and I got it on Cyber Monday for literally $1.50. Cyber Monday, I ordered another one. It's usually $3, but I got it for $1.50. It is the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift. Yeah, the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I love it. It doesn't make my eyebrows look orange because I have a lot of products that'll make my eyebrows look orange because my eyebrows is still like my natural color. This is not my natural color. This is dyed hair. If you guys have been following me on Instagram for a while, you've known that I literally last January, I dyed my hair black. And after that, my hair has been really dead ever since because right after the black, I'm like, okay, this isn't my vibe, not my style. And I went right for blonde right after that. So then that really damaged my hair a lot. No, I went and got my hair done again like a month ago. And I showed her a picture of like what I kind of wanted, and it had more, my hair, my natural hair has a lot more of like coppery tones in it, or like reddish. It's always been like that, my natural hair color has. So this hair color is actually really close to my natural hair color, and I like it a lot. Just looks like I added highlights into it. But yeah, that's probably the last time I'll ever go brunette. But no, my hair is actually starting to get a lot healthier again. All right, in the eyes, we're not really gonna do anything special either. I have this eyeshadow palette my mom got me, like, I don't know, it's been a few months and I think I've only used it like one time. Only Better Professional Palette. I'm pretty sure she got it off my Amazon, but she said it was on sale because I've never heard of this makeup brand, Only Better. I mean, it has really pretty colors in it and some of them are like shimmery. It has a very wide variety. I don't really care about name brands. As long as the eyeshadow works well, I'm good. So I'm just gonna go in with probably some brownish color. I'm just gonna go, oh man. That looks orange to me now. I'm just gonna smudge it. Doesn't look like orange. Maybe it's just the lighting. Because on the camera it looks orange, but in real life it doesn't look that orange. Anyway, we're just gonna go in the other eye. Yeah, so I'm just lightly going with this brown color. Just kind of blending it everywhere. And then we'll go in with my magic eraser, just dab in the middle of my eye and just blend it out. Next thing, we have this little white shimmer right there. You see it? Just gonna go in with that. This isn't sparkly enough for me, so we're gonna pull out the Doja Cat Do Not Disturb palette. And her shimmers, oh, they're so good. So I'm just pulling that Getting Lost one and we're gonna really shimmer it out. There we go. That little shimmery inner corner moment. There we go. There she is. There she is. And now the glitter's getting in my eyebrow. But yeah, we're gonna go for that more frosted eye look. This is my favorite bronzer palette. It is Complex Culture In The Moment Bronzing and Highlighting Palette. Oh, it's so pretty. And I use this all the time and it doesn't even look like I've used that much. I've literally had this since last year and I love it. I use it every day. I'll usually mix these two bronzing colors together and just like bronze the face. Always going on the forehead. Trying to get that jawline right there, you know? But can't you tell the difference? Okay, I just want to talk about something real quick. I don't know if it's just been my Reels page on Instagram or even YouTube Shorts. All I've been seeing is about that new Wednesday series on Netflix and everyone's like recreating the makeup looks and stuff and I'm like, it's not Halloween, guys. Like I was almost gonna like try and recreate the makeup today. It was between doing the cold makeup or doing the Wednesday makeup today for a video and I'm like, no, it's Christmas. I'm not doing some goth stuff. No, that is not happening. I feel like they put series out after October or after Halloween on purpose just so they could extend the whole Halloween thing. And Halloween is honestly demonic. It is. Demonic, devil, all that stuff. I just felt like they did that on purpose. And now we're gonna... You good? Come in.
You need to shut it.
Oh. You wanna say hi to the people?
Hi to the people.
I know. You see all this background, guys? That's my dad. He's an interior designer. This is not me.
Hello.
Love. He just brought his electric, he just ordered an electric drum set on Cyber Monday. So now it's sitting over there in a box. Anyway, back to the video. Alright, then I'm gonna go underneath with my bronzer, the more brown one. I'm just gonna go underneath my eye right here. Alright, next we need to contour the nose. So I go in with the same bronzing palette, put bronzer all over my nose, my concealer, the Maybelline. Go on the tip. You could even leave your nose like that, it looks fine, but I like to go in again, this little brush, and I like to make a little thinner line. Always go with a little line, round it out. I can always kind of blend that line a little bit because otherwise it looks a little harsh. But then, there you got your little button nose. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a little bit of setting my makeup with powder. If I only do it lightly, I go underneath the eye. Powder, and this powder is a Mary Kay translucent powder. Dude, when I look down like that, my eye bags are like, hello. Then with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, I'm gonna go in underneath my eye. Somewhere in the corner. Go on the nose. I'm feeling so sparkly today. So all these blushes I think I'm gonna be using today are Mary Kay blushes because that's literally really the only blushes I have. Cute little light pink. Now, I'll see some people do it. Some people do too much blush. Some people don't do enough. I'm like, come on, you gotta get in there. Gotta look like it's cold. Same brand, Mary Kay Shy Blush. I'm pretty sure this one has like more shimmer in it. All right, mascara time. Ooh, I'm gonna use my favorite mascara. The Tarte, or Tarte, I don't know how you pronounce the brand. Tarte, I don't know. This is I've used it so much. I literally, when I went to Sephora for the first time, when we got one in my town, I went there, I got two things, and I spent $60.
I was like, never again, but
then I signed up for like their customer rewards thing and they gave me this free little mascara. And when I first got it, I'm like, really, you give me this crappy little mascara? And then I used it and I'm like,
I really like this mascara.
so they had it, if you just get it at its normal price, it's $24. I don't know if that's expensive for a mascara, but I'm cheap and I don't like spending that much money on a mascara. So instead I got it for $14 each because it was
Cyber Monday.
So I bought two of them. I've been trying not to use fake lashes that much, like the glue-on ones, because it literally pulls out my eyelashes and I try to be more careful. I even take my mascara off at night now because that can cause your eyelashes to fall out. So I'm trying to be more careful. Isn't it pretty? And most mascaras do not make my eyelashes look that good. Alrighty, so then the last thing is gonna be lips. So I'm gonna go in with concealer. Nude pink. I like them when they're retractable and they're not like the pencil. But they're more expensive that way because the pencils are way cheaper. Alright, so I'm literally just gonna... And then I'm gonna go in with some lip gloss. This is the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer. This is also really cheap, but it's not my favorite, but it'll work for what I'm doing. I'm gonna mix it together. An ombre moment. And I'm gonna go in with this red. I just love this applicator. I love these applicators. They're so much more fun. Alrighty, and then last but not least, we have the NYX Plump Finish with electrolytes, because that's good for my face. Setting spray. They just made it all fancy. It's setting spray, you know. The spray thing is literally all messed up. It's like spraying really wrong. Do I look cute and cold? I think I did pretty good. Maybe I just need more blush. Alrighty, so this is the tutorial for this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like a cute Eskimo now, but you know. I'll see you guys next week doing who knows what. Maybe it's a gaming video, maybe it's a makeup video. You never know. You honestly never know with me. Maybe it'll be a vlog. I just kind of post whatever and it works. Oh, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Twitch because I sometimes stream on Twitch. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good one. See you next week. Bye.
You know you really saved yourself a bunch if you do your Christmas shopping after dawn.